What if Tesla made an electric car under $30,000 that still packed a punch? Well, the wait is over. Meet the all-new Tesla Model 2. From its sleek design to next-gen tech, this could be the EV that changes the game. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in. Exterior. Futuristic and aerodynamic. Tesla's Model 2 keeps things sleek and futuristic. No bulky grille, just smooth curves and sharp LED headlights for a sporty yet sophisticated look. The flush door handles and aerodynamic wheels aren't just for style, they boost efficiency too. And at the rear, signature LED taillights and a subtle spoiler add both flair and stability. Whether you're zipping through city streets or cruising the highway, this car commands attention. Interior, high-tech and spacious. Step inside, and Tesla's tech-first approach shines. The cabin feels surprisingly roomy for a compact EV, with premium vegan leather seats and a massive touchscreen running Tesla's latest software. Plus, with 5G connectivity, wireless charging, and smarter voice controls, staying connected has never been easier. Oh, and autopilot standard. This interior isn't just modern, it's ahead of the curve. Performance: quick, efficient, and affordable. Here's where things get exciting. The Model 2 offers rear-wheel and all-wheel drive options. Powered by Tesla's newest battery tech for up to 320 miles on a single charge. Instant acceleration, adaptive suspension, and next-level regenerative braking make every drive smooth and fun. And with a starting price between $25,000 to $35,000, Tesla's making EVs more accessible than ever. Final thoughts: is this the EV game changer? Tesla's Model 2 isn't just another electric car, it's a statement. With its blend of style, tech, and affordability, it could bring EVs to the mainstream. But will it deliver in real-world driving? Stay tuned for our full review. What do you think of the Tesla Model 2? Could this be your next car? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cutting-edge car reviews. See you in the next one.